Guys, I've made. I don't remember what. Guys, I made a superior. Kiss your homies goodnight. I mean goodbye. I mean. Kiss your homies goodbye when you go to sleep.
Yo, what's up, guys?
Welcome to the PinkCoffee
Welcome.
podcast.
Exactly. As you can see,
it
doesn't look familiar now, does
Where
it?
are we?
We are at the cottage.
As promised, here it is, the Cottage, aka Mökki vlog podcast.
Yeah.
Well, vlog also
We
coming
also
up,
did
but
a vlog, so go check it out.
We had a very interesting idea for this episode. Actually, we're gonna play a game.
It's a button game.
It's
yeah.
a button game. I've
Yes.
seen a lot of YouTube videos of this like years ago. But I think
yeah.
this is a very funny idea to do. We can see the different reactions and the different mindsets that we have, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're gonna be very different.
So do we have to agree on the thing?
I'll do it, yeah, actually.
I think it's majority vote.
Okay,
Majority
majority
vote, so-
vote.
Yeah.
Okay, sure.
I just want to point out how sexy I look.
You look
anyways.
disgusting.
go ahead.
I wanna point out how long my hair has become.
Yeah, same.
Love it.
I wanna.
It's very long.
It's kind of funny how, or kind of sad actually, how like from the last episodes it looks so different. 'Cause
Yeah.
It's been like
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
it's
been
been a
literally 3
while.
months at least.
or 4
Yeah,
weeks.
so yeah, I've actually done a very good job with the vlogs. Check them out. London part 1, 2, and 3 should be down here somewhere. And remember to show some love and subscribe and comment. You know, because we always love that and appreciate that. And let's start.
And lift, push, or pull objects 10 times your weight.
Damn.
But you have unremovable hair in your palms.
Yes, easy.
Would you do that? But you can't remove them.
I don't give a.
Unremovable. So
Like-
your
So
hands
your hands have like hair.
like this.
Basically, yeah.
I don't
Nah.
care.
Or like
Well,
your,
that
your
would-
own hair, you know.
So you say yes?
Yes,
No?
Would be cool though.
I can just use my.
Probably not, because it's
Other
in a
side
way
of my hands.
useless.
Like maybe for you guys, because you weigh so much, it would be cool. But because I
True.
don't weigh that much, so 10 times my weight.
No,
is like-
yeah.
Actually, like 700
Okay,
kilograms.
That's
actually,
a lot of
it's
weight.
a
to
lot
us.
of
We
weight.
could
That's a lot of
literally
weight.
lift.
Yeah.
I mean, you know.
That is true. Sheesh! Finally, guys, we can lift them in.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
I wouldn't do it because I don't see the point.
Yeah.
No, it's, yeah, as I said, it's kind of
Like you
useless.
could technically make money with like being the strongest man
Like,
alive.
you can just be strong.
Yeah,
That's cool.
technically.
Well,
yeah.
you know, there's still strong men out there,
I
like
feel like
lifting.
one-
But no one's gonna carry this much. Like, no
But to
one.
be
Well,
honest,
yeah,
like,
obviously.
you could get like really fat and like lift up like really
You
heavy
could lift
stuff.
like
True.
trees and stuff easily, bro.
That's
Do you wanna do that?
No.
No, no, no. Yeah, خلاص. I
Okay,
will
yeah,
not.
okay.
That's fine.
I will not.
66% said no. Right?
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
seems.
kinda expected.
Yeah.
Because like think about your hands being like here, like some Wolverine.
Okay, true.
No thanks.
Okay, true. Yeah.
You will become king of the world and receive $1 trillion, pounds or euros. That means you'll have to live in a toilet for the rest of your life.
Hell no.
Well, okay.
Hell
Let's
no.
let's think about
Depends
this.
what
Guys,
kind
guys,
of
guys,
toilet.
Let's think about this. The toilet can be as
Yes.
big as you want.
Because
be as
you,
big as you
because
want.
you're like really rich.
Because you could make a toilet and just call. I mean, a house. Just call it a
You
toilet.
could never travel,
Why?
go somewhere cool place, because
You're living there for the rest of your life.
But that
Well,
doesn't
you
mean
live
you
there.
you
Doesn't mean you
stay
have to be
there.
there.
It could mean like
Yeah.
just- yeah. If it's that way, yes, I would 100%.
Ah,
It's just
yeah.
living.
So you can live there.
I would press the button.
Yes.
Yes, because it doesn't say
Because,
that
like,
you can't
imagine you
leave.
just make the world's biggest toilet.
Yeah.
Or like
Yeah.
just a villa and then a toilet in the corner. It's like,
Yeah.
oh, that's a toilet.
Oh, it's a toilet.
No, but
oh.
like you have to live there in the toilet. So there has to be like a living space, and the living space includes a toilet.
Are you sure?
I expect that. So that room where you live is.
So you just make a huge toilet and make it luxurious enough for you.
Because I
to
was
Or
stay
do
saying
you
it's
have to
more like a
live
room.
in? Or do you have to live in the toilet?
No, I don't think you have to be in the
No,
toilet.
it's a bathroom. You have to live in a bathroom, but the bathroom can be as big as you want. So like,
So yes.
yes, because like why not? That
Yes.
doesn't make
I
any
wouldn't
sense.
mind. Yeah, I wouldn't mind.
Only
61%.
I think people didn't think about this because like
Yeah.
it says live, but it didn't mean that you
have
can't
to be
leave.
there,
Yeah, yeah,
It,
yeah.
it didn't say like you have to be there for the rest of your life. Like
You will be remembered forever, but you will be hated.
So basically,
Hitler. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hush.
Basic- Wait, but this is actually who would say yes?
No one would.
So
wanna be
basically,
hated.
you will always be remembered as a bad.
Like for what reason? What do you gain from this?
Nothing.
I see nothing. I
Nothing.
see no gain from this.
You. Yeah.
People
no
remember
gain.
you, but like who
Okay.
cares?
So
I don't care if
basically,
people remember you or
Putin
not.
right now.
Yeah, basically.
Basically.
Hitler.
Okay.
So I will not.
I
It's
will
easy.
not.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Wait, 29% said yes.
Some people are really desperate for
Some
fame.
people just want attention.
Yeah,
Yeah.
apparently.
I don't want hate. Okay.
You could control the weather, but you would be stuck in the last video game you played. What's the last?
I
one?
wouldn't
Valorant.
mind. I wouldn't mind actually.
Valorant.
We actually played Valorant.
Valorant is literally the.
How are these two things connected?
Actually,
in a way?
like if we played Sea of Thieves, this would have been a really easy question.
Yes. Valorant is literally the same world as where we live in now, but in the future, and there's war.
Yes,
so
but there's like literally war and you know,
And
constant fear.
the people already
Yeah.
have abilities
It's a constant
there.
fear of dying.
But people already
Because
have
you're literally in a
abilities
game where
there.
there's shooting.
I don't care.
But Nasser, people already have abilities there, so you would be the trashiest
You would just
character.
be like,
You
I can
control
rule
the
water,
weather. You can
rain,
have-
water.
Okay, yeah. But you
Oh,
could
I
have
would not
abilities and the water.
Why did we play Valorant, يا أخي?
I will not. Yeah.
Sea of
Actually.
Thieves.
Sea of
imagine.
Thieves would have
'Cause
been
imagine
actually
you're
good.
sailing and you can control the weather. That
That'll
would
be-
feel like
That would be insane.
Next level.
That would be cool.
Yeah.
That would be cool.
Okay, well, we will say we'll not because of Valorant.
Yes.
We played Valorant.
So,
It's a very, very like
I skipped.
Nice. Well, it was kind of
It was
balanced,
half and half.
50-50.
you can whoever you want anytime anywhere, but for every person you have to give a sweaty trucker a tongue bath.
that means.
So,
Hell
so truck driver,
does that mean?
you have to
Oh.
like
Truck
lick
driver
them.
that's sweaty.
32% are so desperate.
Yeah.
The level of desperation.
Damn.
You can create. I can't see.
Okay.
Fireballs to shoot with your bare hands. But you will what buy?
Bottom of the podcast.
I can't see.
Okay.
You will buy stricken by explosive.
I can read it. I can
Maybe I mean doesn't really.
You will be.
You will buy stricken.
Uncontrollable diarrhea immediately afterwards for the next 30 minutes. So you will have diarrhea, explosive
Basically
diarrhea.
Magellan. Yusuf.
Yeah.
Magellan from One Piece.
So you'll have explosive diarrhea for 30 minutes
I would say no.
after
'cause
shooting fireballs.
Who need?
Fireballs or a ball? This is balls, right?
Yes.
So you could have like a whole like event where you're shooting fireballs, and then you have to shit for 30 minutes.
What about if you are like a superhero and you know they have like this undies? You have like a diaper instead.
Oh no! Oh no!
Diaper man.
I guess like fireballs would come in use like in weird
Come in use.
situations. Come in use in weird situations, but like you wouldn't be using it
To
like
be honest,
every day.
like what would you use fireballs for?
Yeah, true.
Just
When-
show off.
Yeah,
I mean, I
basically.
have this same thing for 2.5 days after eat hot chicken wings. So I think maybe it's not a bad idea to shoot fireballs from your house.
Yeah, I guess that's a
I'm
yes.
taking it.
Well, the thing
Bro,
is, it
30
does-
minutes isn't a lot.
I'm taking it.
Yeah, it's like you don't have to shoot them every day. You
Yeah,
can just
just-
shoot them like once a
Let's
year.
say you're being cornered by 7 people with guns.
You basically
Kill
that.
them and then shit on them.
Literally shit on them. Oh no, that's so bad.
Yeah, we'll press
Yes,
the button.
we'll
I'll
press
press
the
it,
button.
yeah.
Get shit on.
It's okay.
Wait,
What?
61% said no.
People don't want shit.
Uncultured.
Bro,
yeah.
people are boring.
Get $20 every time you inhale. Wow.
Whoa.
But every year on your birthday you have to eat a bucket of spiders.
Hell
No.
no!
No.
Wait.
No.
No.
No. A bucket.
I
A
can.
bucket. A bucket of like.
Are they alive?
But you know how
Are they alive?
So we won't press the button. At least I won't.
Are
I'm
the
not-
spiders alive?
if they're not
It
alive?
doesn't matter.
Yes, it does.
I-
If they're like crispy and small, you can just like, you know,
Well,
eat
maybe
a
if they're-
bucket,
if they're grilled.
not think about it,
A
eat
bucket.
it with something.
I would eat
A bucket.
But why not just make a successful business?
Every birthday.
instead?
But bro, you know how much money that is?
Make it
20 euros every day.
So you can be like,
That's so much
You make
money.
money for everyone.
That's so much money.
I'm not pressing that button. I'm not eating.
I would buy it. I would.
you would buy it, yes.
I would buy the spider. Yeah, I would press the button because like you know how much money that is. It's so
You know,
worth.
it's fun. It's fun until you actually have to eat the spider.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah,
I'm
but
just
like-
imagining a red bucket or something full of spiders.
Imagine being a millionaire
No,
and just like,
no.
oh no, I have to eat a bucket of spiders. Oh no. If they're not alive,
I can't.
if they're not alive, I'll put some sriracha.
Okay, let's
I'll
stop. Continue.
Okay.
I'm
Put
going
them
to
on fire.
this, man.
press, I will not.
I will not.
No. Why would you press I
because
will?
I like money.
No. But we had like 3 votes over.
Man.
You should never use this. Give me.
Look, it's
give me
50-50.
give me
It's
the mouse.
50-50.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, you made it bad.
I'm in a house.
It's
my
not
clouds,
realistic
Santa
now.
Claus. House.
Will you press the button? Change the weather at will. The weather you chose lasts for a month.
Yes. There's nothing wrong there.
Bro, imagine like I want some nice.
There's no
sunshine.
downside to that.
There is literally no downside. to
Obviously,
that.
I'll pick rain the whole.
It's
month,
basically you have the ability to change weather, but you have a cooldown.
Yes, basically.
No, you don't have a cooldown. It stays like that. So
Yeah,
there's
but
no
like you can't
rain.
change it right away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like you
You
change
change
it
it
and
once
then
and it's a month.
It's
Yeah.
a month of that.
So I have a
weather.
month
it's a
of
month
cooldown.
of cooldown.
So basically,
on that
summer the whole
ability.
time. Yes.
Yeah.
But you would like really mess up with the farmers close by.
That
Because
is
if you're like, I want sun, and then they're like waiting
Who
for
cares
rain,
about people,
you
right?
know?
I don't care about myself.
Lol
and stuff.
farmers, we have one already.
Who's the farmer? This guy?
Because I'm the best. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, I'm the best. Yes. Okay, let's continue.
Pick up the cotton.
On
Oh yes,
your
press
house.
it.
Yeah. We're gonna take that. Okay, a lot of people actually
Yeah,
agree
okay,
with
that makes
us.
sense. That makes sense.
You can be any superhero you wish, but every 20 hours you must use your secret identity.
Yes.
So basically, if I'm Spider-Man, every 20 hours I have to be Spider-Man. Nice.
Yes.
Yeah, amazing. Yeah, of course.
Of course. Imagine being
Like-
Spider-Man.
What's the downside though?
Yeah.
There is no downside.
Well, that you have
You
to.
can be.
That
can
you have
be
to-
Any
You have to
superhero.
work.
You can be like
You have
the
to be-
most strongest superhero in the world.
But you have to like actually be
You
Yeah.
a superhero
Right.
once a day.
Yeah, but like
Which
if I'm like
obviously I
OP,
will.
if I'm OP like some, what is it called? The
Wait, but secret identity. What does that mean?
Like
what if your superhero
no,
doesn't
but
have
it's
a
the secret identity like you, or like I'm like confused.
But what
no,
if?
No, I think it's.
But what if you're a secret identity? What if the superhero doesn't have a secret identity?
Yeah, what if
Obviously-
you're a public?
I think what they mean is just like your superhero persona.
What if you're an Iron Man, but like everyone knows who Iron Man is, so you don't have a secret identity?
So yeah.
Well, they mean probably like the persona. So it's not.
So if I am the flying
could be-
tribunal,
could be
one of
just
the most
Iron Man.
strongest beings.
Basically, you have to be Iron Man.
Who wouldn't press the
Yes.
button?
Yeah, it's too good.
No brainer.
Your body will be in good shape no matter what. So basically me already. So.
Oh no.
But
this is,
your voice will be super high pitched.
this is not Pika.
No way. So you're gonna be like, hey, it's me, guys.
Superman.
Yeah, no thanks.
I'll just
Actually-
I'll just work out. I'll just work
Yeah.
out, bro.
I'll just
Like,
work out, yeah.
what's
working
up?
out is a mood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why wouldn't you want to work out?
Go to the gym. You know.
Wait, why are we doing that? No.
Guys, go to the gym.
Yeah, go to the
The
gym.
gym
No,
would be
no,
nice.
no. Go to the gym, guys. It's a very good place. You can work out. You can get muscles. Muscles.
Lift the button.
Click the button. You can eat anything you want and never gain weight. You are certain to have explosive diarrhea within 2 hours, and you cannot control or know when.
But what if you wanna gain weight? Like this is sad. Imagine just like wanting to like bulk up
Huh?
and then you just eat like as much food as you
Imagine
want.
you have a bulk day.
No.
Yeah, nah,
Like
this is
a
sad.
bulk month, and then you're like, I can't gain weight. It's within, so the 2 hour period, like somewhere there.
So you can be like,
Yeah, and you can't
Basically.
control it, so it's like, okay, now.
This is
Yeah.
kind of sad because like if you press this button, you're gonna stay as what you're right now because you can't gain weight or like you can only
Also-
lose weight.
Yeah, basically. It's literally the most useless question.
That's sad.
Yeah, we won't press the button.
I can already
Nice.
eat what I want.
The fact that 29 people or 21% even press that. Like,
yeah.
you can have anything you want for the rest of your life, but you can only speak to 2 friends and will never be able to marry or have a family.
That's sad. No.
Yeah. Because 1, 2,
But-
and Yusuf is useless.
But
I don't
if
want to
you,
talk to him.
but it's a paradox though.
Yeah, because you can have anything you want. So a
But
family.
It is.
You
a
can have-
paradox.
It is a paradox, but I think we just keep it the way it is. Like you can
Yeah.
have anything except friends or family.
Well,
Okay.
then no, because that's
No, but you can't
Or
talk to
marry.
2 friends.
I want to marry. I'm not. No.
I will not. Because like imagine not having family or friends. That's kind of sad.
That's really sad.
Well, I'll just have Muha and Lily, and then yeah, my friend.
But it doesn't say that you.
I'm joking, bro. I'm
Man
joking.
said
I'm
Muha
joking.
and
I'm
Lily.
joking, bro.
I see you. Actually, you know what?
And also-
I don't see you like
Also, it doesn't work because you can't have family or get married.
So
They
no,
will not.
no.
I am hurt. Very deeply
I
offended.
didn't say anything.
You can say the thing what you want to say.
Guys, I've made. I don't remember what. Guys, I made a superior. No.
I've made a superior.
What was the word?
I've made a severe
severe.
mistake.
Guys, I've I've made a severe lapse of.
Lapse.
I made a superior lapse. Say it, يلا.
Guys, I've made a superior content.
I made a superior.
I can't say anymore.
Guys, I've made a superior lapse of my judgment.
When you press the button, you can clear a stuffy nose anytime you want, but you get a stomach ache when you do so.
No.
Actually, I think stuffed nose is not as bad.
It's
as,
not.
As people make it.
No, as like stomach ache.
Yes.
That is true.
I think stomach ache is worse because I've had some really bad stomach aches.
Yeah, that's probably pretty useless, not gonna lie.
that is
Yeah.
really useless.
Okay.
I would not.
Yeah, me neither.
No.
Nah. You will get anything you want in an hour for free, but the shipping and handling is always $200. Holy shit! No matter whether it
Yes.
be computers or a book. No.
Yes.
Actually,
Yeah, of course you
yes.
do this.
Yeah,
Of
actually, yeah,
course,
true.
of course you do.
I didn't even think about
my
that.
cars and shit.
Oh, it's only a shipment.
Make
Plane?
business.
No.
Business time.
A plane?
Yes.
So it can be anything.
House.
Wow, anything.
Yes,
Oh,
anything.
but
Who
so
would not
damn.
trust this?
I think this is very like
That's easy.
It's
Yes,
easy
yes,
button.
say
Yes.
press, say press.
Let's see. What the? Some
Say
people
press.
just don't know math or something.
Will you press the button? You will be smartest person in the world and rich.
Mhm.
You never touch PC forever.
I can just have a TV.
No
somewhere
way.
there.
You never touch a PC.
But guys, okay.
Hey, it's a laptop PC though.
Yeah, you can.
I
You
will
can have a
press the button,
laptop
yes, sure.
or a smart TV with a keyboard or a PlayStation 3.
Well, I don't have a
PlayStation
PC
4,
anyways.
But the
Okay.
problem is PC is personal computer. So anything
That, no,
for the
no,
computing.
no, no,
Listen,
but
for
like
the-
they
for
mean
the
a PC,
For the
right?
sake of this question, let's just act like no PC, no laptop, no anything.
Okay.
Would you still do it?
You can have a PS4. You can have a
Nothing
smart
like that.
TV.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, obviously you can have a PS4. Yeah, I would
I
personally.
guess. But
You
there's
can
no
still
competition.
game.
To be honest, if you were really rich, would you just
Bro, I
play?
wouldn't
Yes,
need a
I
PC
would.
at that point.
Yeah, I would just travel and have fun.
Yeah, you're right.
You will be rich.
No more PC.
Yeah, you
I'm
don't need
gonna-
a PC
I'm gonna
anymore.
press the button.
Easy. Yes.
And you're smart also?
You're the
Wow.
smartest.
Okay, will you press the button? Get super sight, but
Mhm.
also get shitty hearing.
So you shit from your ears.
Wait.
So basically
no,
me
shitty
already.
hearing.
Are you
So
dumb?
you bad
I know,
hearing.
I know. I'm joking.
No.
I'm good
no,
the way.
Like,
I
I
have
don't hear
okay.
NC anyway, so it doesn't matter.
Like, why, like
Why do you need to
Actually, I would
it
say
would be
nah.
such like nerve to be honest.
True.
Because like I
Sight
already
you
have
can-
good sight.
you can fix with
Actually,
these,
Jonas
you know.
would need this because you're blind.
I'm not blind. I can see.
I would say no. I will
Say
not.
no.
No.
No,
say
of
no.
course not. No one's bad hearing. Like
I don't
no
know.
one gets bad hearing like just normally. Okay,
Except me, I have
you are the ruler of the world, but the only people who ever approve of your actions as world ruler are people you hate.
Well, then that's good.
See, I did it without glasses.
That would be-
Well,
What's the problem with this?
yeah, there's no problem.
But
like-
then everyone you
To be honest,
do like, they just don't approve with you.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
okay.
I don't give a shit.
Because
Really don't.
you'll make
Well,
it.
depends.
So you rule the whole world. Then Valeria, your mom, your sisters, your dad just come like this. Oh, Nasser.
but who hates you though?
Not
I hate
no
him.
one yet.
Really?
I don't
Who
know.
likes Nasser?
I don't know. Who doesn't like Nasser? That's the question.
Who likes you?
You.
I don't like
You
you.
love me.
I don't like you.
That's a lie.
I don't like you.
Actually, that's a way you can see who hates you.
I would say yeah, sure. I'll press
There's
it.
nothing bad about this.
Okay, press
Press
it.
it 'cause, like it's a.
Press the
If you
button.
This would be really good.
What?
You can have all the women you want, but you are super fat.
No.
Stop making fat jokes, man.
That's so bad. Why are you calling Ami fat? Why is it not calling Ami
Why
fat?
does it say super fat?
Yeah, I'm
Who
joking.
would press it?
I will not.
I mean, someone.
No, someone definitely.
So,
Bro, there's
whoever
desperate
is
people.
super fat already.
There's
press
this
the button, they get like game. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or they get more fat.
They might get like super fat, which is like
What?
super
Okay, let's say
fat.
this person weighs
That's really
like 500
unhealthy.
pounds.
They would weigh 1k.
Okay.
You have married the perfect spouse and your soulmate, but they will talk you to death.
What does that even mean?
But like, won't every woman do that? Anyways, am I wrong though?
They would, what does it mean? Talk you to death. So like make
So-
you kill yourself. So like.
Yeah, basically.
No, I'm serious. This is me like she's gonna be like, oh, you know, it would be really nice if you died and
No one
this
would.
way of killing yourself easily, and then you
Yeah, they would literally be like.
or
No,
so
but,
everyone
they
hates
talk
it.
with you.
or they just talk normally
Yeah,
until
they
you.
just nag.
I would.
No,
Why I would be pissed.
no.
Boring
That's
people.
weird. That's so weird.
Yeah. Wait, a lot of
50-50.
anything and everything you want will be given to you for free
Mhm.
for the rest of your life. But you are forced to become a hitman for a secret government agency.
Precious.
This is
Precious. Precious.
Like-
What's wrong
This
with
is
you?
Jonas' dream, by the way.
Precious.
I-
This
I
is
could-
like the
I
best.
Wait.
Wait, what?
No.
maybe cut this out.
No.
This is a dream.
Like
Dream.
Jonas would. Okay.
Anyways, yes,
Yes, because
yes.
it will be cool.
You're able to read minds, but everything you read is negative about you.
That's amazing.
Why?
Actually, yeah, because then you know what people think about you
No,
negatively.
but is everything gonna be always negative? And that's actually what they think.
Wait, does that mean you can?
Negatively.
You only can hear
Only the
if
negative
someone
things.
thinks negatively.
No,
about
only the
you.
negative
Yeah.
things, but there might be
Yeah.
positive, but you
Yeah.
just don't hear them.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would press.
Yeah.
Yes. That would probably be kind of bad on your mental health, but like,
Well, yeah.
it
would
gives
be,
more
bro,
truth.
imagine because you can't hear anyone like being like, oh, this guy looks very nice,
All
You're
you hear
gonna
is
be
you're a
see-
dumbass.
and you're gonna just hear people be like, oh.
Everyone's
that's
gonna be
ugly.
judging you. Yeah.
That's
Oh
amazing.
goddamn! Look at his shirt. Oh my
Yeah, I
god!
don't
Look how
know.
ugly.
I don't
Bro, his
know.
beard is not
Ah.
connecting.
I don't
Wow,
know.
look.
This mamu here in Vasa, this dark.
Well, I don't
skin.
care about these people, but if you wanna like
No,
you
but
care
it's,
about
it's
someone,
annoying.
it is annoying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the
Then
same
you
thing.
wanna,
It says,
you wanna punch everyone.
but guys, it says you're able to read minds. It doesn't mean that you will hear
Oh yeah, then definitely.
other minds. So you can choose
Yes.
whose mind you
Definitely,
can
I
read.
would do this.
But actually, you can also improve yourself in front
Yes,
of people.
yes.
Because then you can hear what people don't like about you,
Yes.
and
And you
can
improve
correct-
yourself.
But that's like kind of bad. Though.
No, it's not bad. It's
Well,
like
because
being
it's like
fake.
hearing.
It's being. Well,
You can hear the truth.
Yeah.
Why not?
What?
A lot of people didn't want to know that people think bad about them, but you have an infinite amount of money and immortality.
No.
You can do whatever you want, but an entire football stadium filled with the brim with people die. You are there to see it. You can never die.
I don't care.
No, I wanna die.
Yes,
Yeah, I
I do not
in the-
care about people.
Not in that
No, wait,
way.
what are you? What are you saying?
No?
No, like
I'm kidding.
I don't
'Cause imagine
care about
like
immortality.
the problem with immortality is that life gets very boring,
Yes.
and human minds don't have the capacity to like withstand like thousands of years of memory. So you're gonna forget who you were, and you are immortal, but it doesn't mean you heal. So every time your limb gets cut off, or you get a scar, or your eye gets poked,
Yeah, in general.
for like many thousands of years, you're gonna be like a nugget, you know. So no,
No.
we will not do that. And a lot of people said yes,
Some people are so weird.
which is very weird. You invented a substance. What is that? Sustainable source of energy that solves the world's energy problems for 1,000 years.
Okay.
But you will never find love, and your friends will slowly drift away from you.
This is funny how like it's not connected at all, but
It
it's so
has
funny.
nothing to do with each other.
No thanks.
No, because like
No.
I don't need to. There is Elon Musk. Okay, he can figure
Elon
it out.
Musk got everything covered. Man.
Technically,
This is
we
sad.
already have
We do.
source, energy source.
True, but people don't just use it.
No, well, nuclear energy is would work.
Yes,
well.
for 1,000 years.
And then there's fusion energy
Yes.
that they are designing, so we
But
don't have to
I
do
think we're
anything. So I think
yeah,
I won't do that
Yeah,
because
there's no reason.
No pressing.
I need love. You solve world hunger forever, but you become allergic to Nutella.
Easy.
Yes, because I don't
Yes.
really eat it that
Yes.
much anyway.
Nutella is
That's so
Awesome.
cringe. That's so
But
cringe.
do
Nutella is
you
busting.
do you get allergic to the substance of Nutella?
No,
like
just
chocolate
Nutella.
Just
and
Nutella.
the
Just
Nutella.
Nutella.
The
Yeah.
Nutella.
Yes.
That's easy.
I'd say yeah.
If someone said no, I'm
I
gonna.
don't mind being allergic to Nutella.
Yeah, 'cause
don't
I don't
eat
really eat it
that
that
much.
It's
You
kinda
actually
overrated.
have,
And even if
and you're
guys,
solving world hunger, bro.
and if you're
Like,
even
what's better than
allergic, it doesn't. It's
Bro,
not
there
death,
is
it's
knockoff
not death.
Walmart version of Nutella.
Yeah,
man.
the white and black.
Yeah.
The
well,
little,
let's say you
little
can't
version.
even have that.
But that's
okay.
not Nutella though.
It's okay.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah,
I don't care.
I guess.
So
Yeah,
yes.
world
And it's
hunger,
only
safe.
it's only allergic. It
So
doesn't
let's
mean you die.
save hashtag. Let's say world hunger.
Yes.
Yes.
See, PinkCoffee Crew doing its business.
course. Oh, nice.
15% of people are evil.
Damn.
Wow.
Or they
just want to-
really love
They
Nutella.
Yikes.
really love
Yes,
Nutella.
but they're still evil.
More than they should.
School is cancelled forever.
Who goes to school?
but you're not allowed to sleep for more than 8 hours a day.
That's
Hell no.
hell no.
We need school.
Go to school, kids.
Stay in school.
Yeah, I
And sleep
guess.
longer than 8
Don't
hours
smoke
too.
pot.
Don't smoke pot. Drink your vegetables.
Why not? Where you smoked pot?
Drink your
Drink your
Oh,
vegetables.
Drink your water, eat your vegetables. Sleep over 8 hours a day. Kiss your homies goodnight. I mean, goodbye. I mean, kiss your homies goodbye when you go to sleep. And love yourself. Love everyone around you.
Can I say
Be
something?
nice to people. Subscribe to the Pink Coffee Podcast. Love us, like us, comment us, share us,
Share what?
subscribe to us, love us, share us, and yeah,
And share us.
and share us more and more.
And share.
Don't
We love
touch
you
me.
guys.
Don't touch me.